Good morning, everyone. Today we are making scraps to embellishment with Ginger's Corner, and today's embellishment is the children are the future, anything with a child theme. And as you can see, I've got this little boy with now I'm thinking of who was like spanking our gang, Alfalfa, who was in love with Darla. Okay, I got Alfalfa here and Darla. Or maybe it's, you know, a little boy and his sister, or maybe it's the twins, Aiden and Alex. And so anyway, I thought it was so cute. I love the whole silhouette, and I'm gonna leave it as a silhouette. And it also came, these were both this is a Temu die. So it came like this, and then it came with this little flower. And it's like, okay, I cut it out and it looks like this. Oh, and I hope that was in screen. See how it looks? Let me see, do I have anything white in front of me? Okay, so it looks like this. I mean, it's just, not what I would call a flower, but okay. So anyhow, I decided I was gonna cut this out twice, and I just used scraps, so whatever colors that looked like they could be flowers. Okay, I'm gonna kind of come in a little bit more, get my bike riders there. Okay, so I've got this little piece, and so I took one of them and just cut off that little tiny part at the top, because when I put two of them together with that on there, it looked odd. So I'm going to put my one that I cut that off of, I'm gonna glue it to the other one. And if I got one that's a little more solid in color, I'm trying to put one that's multicolor with it, because I just used all these little Minte pieces that I kept saving because they're just such a nice quality paper. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this other little piece that I cut off and just put it somewhere else. Maybe down here. And let's see, I might have a little trouble picking up, so I'm gonna do this. And I just think it looks better like that. And then it also had these little tiny dots like this. Hopefully it's kind of focusing there. Okay, so I gather they were supposed to be in the middle of the flowers, so and there was only two of them per flower, so I'm just going to put them here and there, and it'll just give us a little more color. And so I'm just going to put it on the fore and front, because I cut out two of these flowers, if I didn't already say that, for each set, so that you got more than the one. Oh, and this is for a mini swap, so I'm making 6 because I'm making my 4 to mail, and then I'm making one for myself, because otherwise, you know, you got to make one for yourself too. And then I always make one for my scrapbook buddy. So I think this looks better than, I'm thinking, where are my individual ones? So let me show you again. I mean, this looks more like a bouquet than that. So I like this better. So I couldn't, you know, it's like it was a dot, or, you know, just a silhouette, so I didn't even take a picture of this one. I just thought, oh, it's just a silhouette. I forgot to figure out where this was going in the picture, but I'm thinking it's probably up here on the handlebars, and I'm thinking that maybe the kids were, you know, bike riding, and then they found some wildflowers and picked them up for their mom. And so I'm putting that like the little boy is holding on to them. And then in my mind, I'm just like picturing this, and I thought, oh, it'd be super cute if there was like butterflies chasing them. You know, because I'm building my scrapbook scene as I'm putting it together. I'm building it in my head. So I punched out a little butterfly, and these two butterflies are kind of the same shape, or they're basically the same shape. So I'm gonna add two of these in my thing. And so here's this one. I think this one is from Hobby Lobby, and I think I got this one at Joann's. But I mean, this is super small. Trying to find something that you'd recognize the size. Well, this is, you know, it's really tiny. It's probably a quarter. It might be a whole quarter of an inch. Oh, it actually says 0.375, but it's a little more than a quarter inch. And then this one here is, it's a half an inch. But I thought that would be a really cute layout. And I actually just pulled out this paper so I could just lay it on here, because it looks like sky. So won't that be cute? I just love it. So since I'm gonna send these separate from this, I was thinking I'd put them in this bag, but sometimes this is kind of interference in the packaging. So what I'm thinking is I have these from my planner. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna take 2 butterflies, put one there. Now, when I was punching, I got a green one and a brown one, so I'm not gonna use those. But I got extra cut out. So I'm trying to find one that I like better with that one than that one. Okay, like these two I like together. So I'm just gonna put those on the sticky part of this flap, and then I'm gonna write butterflies on it. And I'm gonna put my name on here, because if I write on here, you're really not gonna be able to see it. And then I'm putting it, I'm gonna stick it to the little boy. So the butterflies are stuck there. Oh, that one didn't work as good. I did another one, it's like, oh yeah, that stuck pretty good, okay. So maybe if I got a little bigger piece there. But I thought if I put it where they could see that there's definitely something back there, and then maybe I'll put for chasing the kids or something like that. And so that if they haven't seen this video, they'll still know what I put them in there for, because I love the idea of the little butterflies chasing them. And this one did not work good, but see, I got it on here and it worked really good. And so I guess I just need to try a different one, because this one worked good. I just don't have a bouquet on this one. Okay, but I'll make another bouquet. So here I've got a more plain one here, and then this one is multicolor. So I'm gonna put the multicolor on top. And I just kind of rounded it a little bit. I just thought these were super cute, and I like the addition of a little color with the silhouette. I think it's really pretty. And then just adding my little dots, so I got just a little bit of color. Oh, I forgot to add my little extra flower. because why not? I have it. Okay, and so I need 2 more dots because I punched them out, so, or cut them out, so I'm going to use them. It just adds more color. I don't know how come everything ends up upside down on my paper. Okay, see, I got one here. I think I have one here. It looks like glue there. Okay, so that's all set. And I will put that right on here. And can I, whoops. Bike riders everywhere. That made me feel just like Ginger. She says she's always throwing things around. Okay, so and then with my little butterflies on the back there, and so that they'll see that it's supposed to go with there. And I'll probably let the butterflies chase the riders or something. But I think they're super cute, and I love the butterflies chasing them. I think it'll be a fun layout to do. And it's so funny because today, I'm filming this ahead, and today my daughters sent me pictures of the grandkids riding their bikes to school for the first time. And I thought, oh my gosh, have I got an embellishment for that? So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Oh, go and check out the other people that are making embellishments, and there's a link where you can just click on the link and it takes you to everybody who made the embellishments. Otherwise, you can go to each person individually. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.